What's the matter with him? Huh? Is he sleepies? What's going on? What's the matter with him? Yes, Mommy's filming. Why don't you go over and see what the matter with him? Go see what's... Oh, what was that? Oh, what was that?
Oh, is that?
Why don't you go see him? Go see brother. Go see brother. Go see what's wrong with him. Is he okay? Go over there and see if he's okay.
Oh.
No, don't play with my phone. Go see if he's okay. Go see if brother's okay.
Oh, it's me.
Go see if he's okay. No. See, Mommy's not filming. Mommy's not filming. Jakey. See your brother?
Hey, what? Oh,
It's his drink. You gonna steal it?
You're welcome.
Jakey. Look at brother. What's wrong with brother? Don't steal his drink. What's the matter with brother? Is he okay? Jacob.
Hey. Hey, guys. Hi.
Does he need lovies? Does he need lovies?
Bye-bye, don't
Hey. Does he need lovins? Jacob. That doesn't go under there. No, no. No, no, no. Jacob. Jakey, look. Oh, you found the phones. No. No, look. Look. Brother.
Hi,
Is he okay?
Hi.
You give him lovins. Oh, maybe a hug. You give him a hug. You give him hugs. No? He's not worth that? Nope, not the phones. Nope. KFC? You sleepy, baby? No, you're not getting the phones, Jacob. Look at your brother, him sleepies. Look, him sleepies, and you're fighting over phones. Don't hit Mommy, that's not nice. That's not nice. Jacob.
It's so much.
Look at your brother. Who's sleeping.